Okay, guys, I'm here to present, I believe, the most challenged feature I created in the project MINI N8N is the feature where you can create your own custom code. So, if you check the last video, I present this page here, install custom package, where you can install your custom package. Imagine like N8N, you can create your own custom package and install inside the Docker container while running the N8N. So I thought, man, I want to create something like that. And searching, I discover architecture named plugin. The plug architecture pattern is a software design approach that divides the application into core system and the independent, interchangeable modules called plugins. So, if you're familiar with WordPress, so it's the same concept. You can install a code, a plugin, where give new features for to the WordPress. If you disable you can see the features and something important, this new piece, this new plugin don't impact the car application. So if I disable, the application keep working. So it's something I studied before, and I see the opportunity to apply here in this project. So what I did, let me create an example here. Let's close everything. Okay. Um, let's say here I have examples to simplify the process to create a new plugin. You have a template package. So I can Control C, Control V to copy and paste. So here is a new package. I waited a little bit because I need to wait the windsurf copy the files from the new package from the new directory. Take some moment. And after that, what is my idea? My idea is create something like this. Is a API. Imagine I want to check the language applied in a specific project in GitHub. So I need the username, the GitHub profile, the repository, and the URL. And after that, I receive a list of information. So let me finish. So let me remain. Let get language project. So now what I will do here is delete this guy. Take some time, and while I remove, oh man, why it takes so long to index the code? So insert, perfect. Rename, add an unique name because you need to publish in an npm. So you need to give a unique name, give a description, get the language of the project from from Git. Oh my God, from GitHub node. Okay, one moment. Let me check. So here, what I need to do is remain this guy here. The windsurf doing this for me. Rename here. I need to export. I have three principal methods. The get config. The get config, it has the information like name of the package. The type is important to be the same and unique values. The description explain what is the project. If I go here, the name is here. The the type is here. Um, the name is internally. The name is here. And for example, you need to for example, to get the language, I need the GitHub username and the repository name. So to create this, I have the properties here is the part where I can customize the patterns, the parents I need. And based on this customization here, I dynamically build the form here. So for example, GitHub, uh, GitHub username. Let's put username. The type here, define the type of input I will show here. Text will show this example, the number different, the select will show that way. Okay. Uh, Here the repository. Let me put repository here. Repository is a text. What more? I don't need nothing more for this moment. So let me go to the execute. The method execute is the where I put the logic of my node. So if you notice here, I need to get make a request for this URL here. So I need to install here. Let me back here. Get language. PNPM install Axios because I need to make a request. One moment. So another internally method is okay. Let's build an internal method named parse expression. What this method is important? Why I'm applying this? Imagine I use this expression here. This state steps, step name, output key, some key name here. Imagine let back to workflow here. Here, imagine I receive a request via webhook, and this request has an input where it has a username. So what I can do is make a reference here, so I can get the information from the previous nodes, and using the current node. How I can do this? Doing this expression steps. For example, here, let me check here. The name is trigger webhook one input. Input because I want to receive the data uh, put it in a request body. So input body and for example username. If I want to get the output from another node and use here is the same idea steps the step name output, for example output username. Okay, is a way to reuse the information generated from the previous workflows or the information received from the request. Okay, is only an example here. So okay, I explain why and where I found this in the node base. The node base is the based class, and I is abstracted class, and I have this method implemented here, and I force and I have implementate and I have config and execute. So all the times I need to handle expression, I use this guy. So it's like I create there to simplify all the process, and I extend here so I get that way in all OOP I can get the abilities from the parent class. So now I only need to make a get Axios. Let me import here Axios. So I will return here. Okay, perfect. Let me clean the clean here. Let's do a test here before publish the method. For example, execute here. Let me put here settings, and I have a username and I have a repo. Perfect is a prompt. So okay. So to run here the code, I execute npm run start. You can see here the language: TypeScript, CSS, JavaScript, Docker, all the technology I'm using this project. Let me see. I believe it's enough. I don't need to show a different project. So after test, I can clean. You can guarantee everything is working. Implement a test here. Okay. And to run the test, you can do npm run test. Okay. Uh, or you can execute bin barra just and run the test. Okay. If you need to set up something extra, you can do. Uh, but let's focus and create the node here. Okay. Next step. Everything is okay. npm run build to generate the dist folder here, because the package JSON, the main means the entry point file is a pointing to this slash index.js. So I need to build this because without this I can face a problem to run my code. And after that, npm publish public to publish. So after publish here, I can go here. For example, I can go here and install a new one. Okay. What the fuck? Wait a minute. Okay. Looks is installed here. I can update here. I don't know what's happened because I expected a success message here when I install it, but okay, install it, everything okay. Another point here. Here is I can disable and enable features if I need, custom nodes if I need. So if I back here in a custom, let me I can do this. Let me move this for another part. Okay. Ah, oh my god. Remove here. Okay, now I have here the node. Sorry for that, for this. I have the new node. And if you notice, I have the fields I created there. So I can put here Thiago, and I put here the MINI N8N. And now I can run and see working like I show, like like you can see here. So is an external code I add as a plugin, like a new piece in my automation, and working. So I believe that's it for this video. Explain about it, this part. Before I finish, let me show something I forgot. A label test select. Show how you can create a list here. Name, test select. You can have options here. It's a list of options. Options is an array. You have a label, and a value here. Okay, and you can create yes, and here you can set the default option, for example, one. Now I need to update the package. So what I can do is a new feature. Consider here apply semantic version. Okay, I update. So npm run build to build npm publish public. Will build my project and after that will publish my code. So I can go here um, and update. Let's see. Fail to update. Let's refresh here. I don't know what's happened. Maybe it's not available to update. Okay, probably the npm was available a new a new version in the first try. Now is okay. Okay, now it's okay. So if I refresh here, of course I lose the code because I forgot to save. If I back here, you can click here, you can see the select option created dynamically based on the configs from then from the configs returned here. Okay, so that's it. The next video probably I will explain how I make this. Okay, I create the config, I use the plugin architecture. The next step is explain how I make these plugins, this external code working in my workflow engine. Workflow engine is a code response to execute the workflow. Okay, so I believe that's it. I hope everyone like it. Let's finish here um, using doing something. So run. Okay, let's save to prevent lose the automation. Now I have all the configuration here. Perfect. So that's it. I hope everyone liked it. If you have questions, comment down below. Feel free to ask. So see you soon. Bye.